Hello friends, welcome to Technovision Services by Munna sir. Today in C++ video tutorial we are going to cover calling of constructor of base class from derived class. Means in case of inheritance, how we can call base class constructor from derived class. What the theory says, by default any constructors, means it doesn't matter whether it is default or parameterized or even copy constructor of any derived class implicitly, or we can say automatically, call the base class or parent class default constructor only. It doesn't matter whether derived class constructor is default constructor or parameterized constructor or even copy constructor also. Any constructor implicitly always go for the default constructor of base class, means it will never search parameterized constructor by default. But in case we want to call base class parameterized constructor from derived class constructor, then we have to call them explicitly, means manually. Automatically they cannot be called. Therefore, we have to always go for manual syntax. Syntax will be, suppose we have created class base class name, then we have created a default constructor of base class, then we can create parameterized constructor of base class. It is also possible that we can create copy constructor also, but we have not created in this syntax. You may create. Next, we are creating derived class by inheriting it from the base class. Then here we have defined default constructor of derived class, or we can say child class. This syntax is by default used, means if we are not going to write anything, then also this will be implicitly used by the compiler, means it is automatically applicable. So it will always go for the default constructor of parent class or base class. But in case of parameterized constructor, it contains arguments or parameters, we can say. If we are passing some parameters, means whatever the value we are getting inside derived class parameterized constructor, if we are passing to the base class constructor, then only it will explicitly call the parameterized constructor of base class. If we are not passing anything, then it will always go for the default constructor of parent class, never goes for the parameterized constructor of parent class. This is the syntax. Means this syntax is implicitly used. We will see through practical for more clarifications. Let's what next important notes. It say that if base class contains only parameterized constructor, then compile time error will be generated, because any constructor of derived class, default or parameterized or even copy constructor also, implicitly or automatically always search for the default constructor of base or parent class. So if we have not defined parameterized default constructor in parent class, any constructor of child class will always search for the default constructor. If it is not found, then compile time error will be generated. So let's start through practical example how it is happen. We'll see two examples. By default what will happen, then how we can explicitly call parameterized constructor of base class using derived class parameterized constructor. Let's start with example. As include IO string using name space std class base public. First we'll create default constructor. We just write simple message hello from base class default constructor, and then again Suppose we are creating parameterized constructor mean and cout hello from base class parameterized constructor, and then let's create child class or derived class using this base class. Class derived public base. Here class name should be derived class name. Derived message will be hello from derived class default constructor. Here again name should be derived again. Derived hello from parameterized hello from derived class parameterized constructor. Now we need to call them. How they are called? See, we have to always create derived class object, say obj1, obj1. So it will automatically call the parent class or base class default constructor first, then it will call derived class default constructor. Only two constructors will be called. Both will be default constructor of base class and default constructor of child class only. See through the output. First we need to save it. Constructor call dot cpp using name space. Sorry, we have used here wrong syntax. Has should not be there. It was typing mistake. See, we are getting just two line output, means hello from base class default constructor, hello from derived class default constructor. Means even if we are not making call to the parameterized constructor or any default constructor of base class, then also it is being implicitly used by the derived class constructor. Now suppose we are creating derived class parameterized constructor obj2. We are passing some value like 10. See again what will the output? See, when it goes for the default constructor, it will goes to the default constructor of derived class. Then at this line, it will implicitly goes to the default constructor of parent class. So first line output is hello from base class default constructor. Then at this line, it goes on the top. So therefore, second line will be hello from derived class default constructor. Now again control will transfer to the main method. At next line we are creating a parameterized object, means we are passing some parameter to create the object. So parameterized constructor of derived class will be called. When control goes to the derived class parameterized constructor, it will implicitly goes for the default constructor of base class only, not for the parameterized. See the third line output. Hello from base class default constructor, means here it will not call the parameterized constructor of base class. Hello from derived class parameterized. Although parameterized constructor of derived class is being called, but no parameterized constructor of base class is being called implicitly. We have to make them call explicitly. How we can? Means compiler will use this syntax base. This is by default. Means even if we are not using, then also it will be applicable there. By default available. Here also base by default available. See, nothing will be changed in output. Same output will get here. See the output. Same as previous, we are getting the output. So, if we want to call parameterized constructor, what we require here, we need to pass the parameter like n. Then, instead of third line default constructor of base class, it will call the parameterized constructor of base class. See through the output. See this output. Third line especially. Hello from base class parameterized constructor. This is our expected output, means how we can implicitly or explicitly call the constructor of base class. This is all about calling a constructor of base class from derived classes. If you find any queries or difficulties, you may mention in comment box. I will sure answer your questions. What is your opinion? Please mention in comment box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it for latest update. Thank you.